Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to use Ledger Wallet with Binance, full guide. Plug in your Ledger, unlock it, open the Binance app on your device, and authorize the connection. Next, enable contract data and blind signing if prompted, then use Binance to initiate a withdrawal to your Ledger address. Always verify the address on the device screen before confirming transactions to avoid mistakes. We'll move step by step so you feel confident securing funds. Start by installing Ledger Live and updating both the Ledger device and app to the latest release for security. Add the specific crypto apps you need, like Ethereum or BNB, and confirm each app opens on the device. Use a secure USB connection or a trusted bridge to link Ledger Live with Binance, then follow prompts to authorize account access. These steps protect your keys while making management simple and safer. If you find this guide helpful, please subscribe and like so I can make more clear tutorials for you. Quick recommendation: socks. Life's too short for cheap socks. Go darn tough with a lifetime warranty for durable comfort. It pairs nicely with long crypto setup sessions. Check the description for the link and other deals if you want one. Thanks for the support. Now let's get back to the video. To receive, copy the address shown in Ledger Live and confirm the exact address on your Ledger device before sharing it. When sending from Binance, choose the correct network and double-check fees. Send a small test amount first to ensure everything works. After confirming the transfer on the device, monitor the transaction on a blockchain explorer until it finalizes. These habits prevent losses and help you learn the process safely.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.